What's going on, guys? Today we're going to do us a little Mosaic value pack. I tried to get a optic baseball pack of Luca, and the guy that had it for sale, sadly, he didn't know, but it was already bought. So when I bought it, it wasn't actually there. So in return, he sent me a Mosaic pack. I picked it out. I like Mosaic, and so let's hop right into this. Got a David Montgomery, Jalen Ramsey, Geno Smith, Randall Cunningham, J.J. McCarthy debut, Braylon Trice, Alex Highsmith, Patrick Mahomes, Epic, Xavier Legette, James Conner on the pink. Let's see what this is. Jonathan Brooks on the pink. Oh, come on, be Drake. Oh, baby, come on. Drake May on the pink. Mosaic. That's pretty, boys. That's a pretty little card right there. Hold on, let me get my... Yeah, I'm not putting that sleeve in there. Maybe that's what I need to do. Maybe I need to start sending off cards to be graded and then open stuff. Because now that I've sent off stuff, I've got even better, or not, I wouldn't say even better, but I've got some good stuff since sending all that off. Like literally the the premium stock opening I did, I pulled another Victor, but and then just some rookies. But yeah, guys, nice little pack. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you enjoy this stuff, let me know down in the comments and make sure to subscribe. Peace.